Hello YouTube friends, thank you for checking out my video. Today we will be making some shelves for our bathroom and using the spare ones for above our washer. All the things we used today we got at Home Depot, the wood stain, and the brackets. This is an easy project if you want to spruce up an area. It isn't anything major, but it makes the space more functional. The decorating was definitely my favorite part. I know it looks a little bare right now, but I still have to make it my own. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share my video. And I'll see you guys next time.